Welcome to our channel, English Stories. You're here because you want to speak English fluently, but something inside you keeps stopping you. You study, but forget. You listen, but freeze. You understand, but can't speak. And it hurts because deep inside, you know you're capable of more. You know you have thoughts, ideas, emotions, but they never come out the way you want. Let me tell you a secret that will change everything. The problem is not your mouth. The problem is your brain. Your brain controls your confidence, your memory, your focus, your words. And if it's not trained the right way, no grammar book or app will ever help. In this video, you'll learn how to train your brain step by step, how to stop translating, how to remember words forever, how to speak while thinking, and how to create a daily routine that makes English natural. This is not just about learning English. It's about reprogramming your mind for a new life, a life where you can finally express who you really are in English. And before we begin, if you truly want to master English and transform your life, subscribe right now because this channel isn't just about learning words. It's about training your mind, building your confidence, and finding your voice. So, hit that subscribe button and let's grow together. Chapter 1. Why your brain controls your English. Do you ever feel like you understand English? You know the words, you studied grammar, but when it's time to speak, you freeze, your mind goes blank, you forget simple words, you get nervous, and all that English inside you just disappears. Why does this happen? Here's the truth. No one tells you. Your mouth doesn't control your English. Your brain does. Before your lips move, before your voice comes out, every word is born inside your brain. And that's the problem. Most people try to learn English like a school subject. They memorize grammar rules. They write definitions. They read silently. But English is not a subject. It's a language. It's a skill. And it's a skill that your brain must control, not your books. If your brain is not trained to think, react and speak in English, then your mouth will stay silent no matter how many hours you study. That's why people say, I understand everything, but I can't speak, because their brain has never practiced creating English, only receiving it. Imagine your brain is a house. You read English books. You're collecting furniture. You memorize vocabulary. You're adding beautiful decorations. You study grammar. You're arranging everything properly. But when guests come, real conversations, you can't open the door because the key is missing. And the key is training your brain to speak. You can know 1,000 words. You can pass English exams. But if your brain doesn't feel safe, free, and ready to speak, it will shut down. So remember this forever. Fluency is not about what you know. It's about what your brain can use. Right now, to learners, to results, let me show you something.